You start your car, put the transmission in gear, and nothing happens. Suddenly, you realize you need to choose a transmission shop. But which one? Start by asking neighbors, friends, and coworkers for a reference. Then check online for referrals from people who've actually used the shops. Consider using a shop with ties to a larger company or association. Every Cottman Center is overseen by Cottman's home office and must live up to their ethical standards, along with those issued by the Automatic Transmission Rebuilders Association, or ATRA. And every Cottman Center offers a transmission warranty that's honored at nearly 2,000 locations, all across the U.S. and Canada. So when your transmission stops working properly, there's really only one name you need to remember. Get your car over to your nearby Cottman Center. They'll get you back on the road fast. Until next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please check out the other videos in the Cottman Man and Transmission Physician Educational Video Series, and make sure to subscribe below if you haven't already. Check out Cottman.com for new videos and other updates.